Alright, too easy sabi ni Jedi, hirapan natin. The boat is sinking. Grabe, math pala to. Group yourselves into...
Kahit ano, huwag mo nang kwentahin.
Sit down! Sit down when you're complete. Tama, sit down when you're complete. Sit down.
Sobra to.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Sige. Marshals, can you please check if correct yung numbers? Okay, sample lang yun, sample. Sige, para makasali si Seth. Sorry. Additional rule, thank you, Kay. Additional rule, kids. Excuse me, kids. Additional rule. When you're done, when your number is correct, sit down so we can see. Okay? And then the mommies will, yeah, he can join. And we will, you have to count yourselves, okay?
Rachel!
Okay? Alright, okay. You're 6, okay, good. But you have to sit down when you're done. Okay? Okay, game. Stand up. Okay. Alrighty. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4.
Okay, wait lang.
5, 4, 3,
Sit down, sit down, sit down. You have to sit down.
2,
Sit down.
1. Okay, now, can I see? Can I see?
Wala na, kulang pa. May sino kulang?
Okay, there's one.
4 kami. 4 na? Wala na? Walang kulang? Bakit? 4 kami.
4 kami.
Wala mananalo dito. Agad kita.
Okay, may out na. Okay, it's okay. Thank you, Tita Til. Okay, stand up. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 8. 5, 4,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more.
Okay.
One na.
So 16 sila.
Wala na.
Tama ba?
4 na sila.
Okay,
Hindi kasama yung
4. Go to Tita Til.
8.
Out yung 4. Go to
4
Tita Til.
boys, go to Tita Tin.
Go to Tita Til.
Ayaw nila maghiwalay
Hindi na maghiwalay. Sige. Doon kayo.
Yung mga big boys na.
Ayaw nila maghiwalay.
Yung mga ayaw maghiwalay.
Okay, good job. Okay, kids, stay on the side. No playing yet. Okay, alright, stand up. Good job, kids. Good job.
Ilan itong tatapusin mo?
Hanggang
Mga ilan na sila?
the boat is sinking.
Ellie, not
Not
yet.
yet, not yet. You haven't.
You're still included in the game. Don't go
Yeah.
there. Only the ones who's out.
Okay, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 10. 10, 5,
Hey, you're out na! The two of you out na! Out na! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! So you forgot us! 1, 2, 3, 4, But you're out na a while ago. You're not included.
That's too much.
Wala silang group kanina. No,
10. Para
Mari, ulitin mo. Magulo. Di pa kala ko na out tong sila. Ano?
hindi kasama sila.
O, ulitin mo.
Okay, stand up.
Pag-itain mo.
Dito kayo, dito kayo. Sige, hold hands. Okay. Alright.
Bahala na kayo dyan. Ayoko.
Here in the middle. Next rule. Another rule para we won't get confused. The mommies won't get confused. You need to hold your hands, form into a circle, and then sit down. Okay? So that we will see. There's no one that will come into your group. No pushing.
Yung mga big boys nagjo-join na
I
ng
know.
small ano, kanina solid sila eh.
Ganito hit. Okay. The boat is sinking. Oh, no hold hands. No hold hands. Okay. Hiwalay muna kayo. Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 1. 1. Okay. Okay, hindi. Inano ko lang kayo.
Para maghiwalay-walay kayo.
Maghiwalay kayo, guys. Okay, stand up. Thank you. Again, what you're gonna do is hold your hands, and then sit down. May form a circle and sit down. Okay? Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into three. Hold hands, sit down. 5, 4, 3, sit down. Oh my gosh. Ay! Ano ba yan? Okay. Okay. Tin, yung prize natin, Tin. Okay, prize. Okay, thank you. Stand up. Tatlo. No,